Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make kakiyage. Kakiyage is a type of tempura. Tempura is usually single ingredients, like shrimp tempura or carrot tempura. But kakiyage is several ingredients glued together with tempura batter and fried. Ingredients for kakiyage can be anything, so you can put whatever you have in your fridge, something that is not too watery, like half of onion or quarter of carrot, whatever you have. So it's a great way to clean up your fridge. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kakiyage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. And these are just an example of what you can use, so please use whatever you have in your fridge. So today, I'm using 1 onion, mitsuba, some carrot, chikuwa fish cakes. For the tempura batter, half cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch. Let's cut the ingredients. So mitsuba. If you have something green, your kakiyage looks prettier. So you can use green onion, coriander or watercress. Let's just cut it into 2 inches or so. And put it in a large bowl. Carrot. Peel the skin. And let's make needle-thin strips. So paper-thin slices first. Then into strips. Into the bowl. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Then thin slices. Into the bowl. Chikuwa fish cakes. Let's cut them into half. Then thin diagonal slices. all into the bowl. Take some flour from the bowl of flour for the tempura batter and add to the bowl. About 2 tablespoons. And mix it well. Let's make tempura batter with the remaining flour and starch. Starch into the bowl of flour, half cup of cold water, and mix. And the batter is ready. It's like a glue or bond. Add the batter into the bowl of ingredients. You just need enough amount of tempura batter to glue them together. So let's start with 2/3 of the batter. Mix well. Almost there, but I think I need a little more glue, so I'm adding half of the remaining batter. Mix well. Everything is glued together, but I don't have any excess butter at the bottom of the bowl. It's time to fry. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. It's about 1 inch from the bottom. And let's check the temperature. Put thumb chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, that's the right temperature. Put some ingredients on a big spoon like this. Gently slide it into the oil. Fry for a minute. Flip it over and fry for another minute on the other side. Looks good? So let's take them out and drain. all fried, so it's done. Make sure you don't turn the heat off until you take everything out of the oil. Time for the tasting. You can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have it simply with salt. So let's put some salt. And いただきます。Did you hear the sound? It's so light and crispy. Absolutely delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kakiyage is the main, so let's put it here. I need little more protein, so how about オクラとお豆腐のスープ here and ほうれん草の卵炒め for one of the side dishes. Plain rice here and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!